Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this is MAKIA FOREX. I want to talk about how we're going to approach trading in 2024. This is a wonderful year. Last year I took trading very seriously. I started taking my journey, journaling and all these other things very seriously, and last year was a wonderful year for those trading with MAKIA Forex. So I'm going to show you guys how you can approach trading this particular year and what you should be doing, because last year was successful. I was successful last year in trading because of some things which I did. So for those who are, let's say, new to my channel, they may not know about these things, but for those who have been with us for a long period of time, let's say for 2 years, you saw that last year I got in some new sort of equipment. I invested so much into equipments and other mentorships. You see, it's very important for traders to invest in equipment. Yeah, let's say if you want to really succeed, you can't just you know find your way through success without really sacrificing something. I spent money on equipment. I bought new computers, new screens. I started updating some things, deleted some old things. So I did a lot of investment on my trading setup. I knew that I was good in trading, but I also needed a good setup, because you can be good in trading, but you want to, really take yourself, like push yourself past the limit. I invested money into equipment. I think I spent a lot of money on that. Got new screens. I also, tried to get a new internet box because mine, the one that I had, was breaking. I did some other things. I did some other investments, and believe me, I just focused myself on trading, and that was it. I didn't really do much last year. It was mainly trading, and we could see that if you go to my Facebook page where I post my trades, when I post my screenshots, you will see that we did very well last year. So this particular year, if you are out there and you want to be good in trading, I'm telling you guys now, it's not that difficult, but you need to sacrifice something. If you're not yet a professional like us, you have to invest in mentorship. You have to invest, you have to pay for mentorship. You may decide to go through the hard way, things like that. It all depends on you, okay? But I believe that it's always good to, if you want to do things very fast, you need to pay for a mentorship. You need to invest in mentorship. Then when you're done investing in mentorship, you have to invest in a good trading station. You can't depend only on one computer and know how the market will move completely. That's only if you want to trade in the higher time frame. But for those of us who are day traders, or let's say scalpers, because sometimes I scalp, we trade in smaller time frames, so we need to know what's happening in the bigger time frames. That's why I think it's very good for you to invest in a good trade station. Invest in a good trading setup. Get some good computers. Get some good internet box, like a Wi-Fi connection that is very fast. It will cost you some money. You need to get like a trading view pro and all these things. They will cost you money, but believe me, if you're serious, you will make it at the end of the day. So this has never been a better year to trade. this sorry this is the best year to trade, because this year there's a lot of opportunities in the market. So guys, if you want to know more about trading, don't forget to hit us up on Telegram, because that's where we share our signals, insight and analysis, also on Facebook and also on YouTube. If you want to learn more about trading, you can always subscribe to this channel, and we talk more about that. So with that said, thanks for watching. Bye.